Is it possible to practice adding and subtracting positive and negative integers by using common items like berries from your kitchen? Well, the answer is yes, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. No fancy tools needed, just a handful of berries and a little bit of imagination. Here, we're going to have our raspberries representing positive integers and our blackberries representing negative integers. So let's start with our first problem. What would be 3 plus 5? So I have 3 raspberries representing the positive 3, and I'm going to add 5 more raspberries to represent the positive 5, which gives us positive 8. Now, how about positive 3 plus negative 2? We'll start with 3 raspberries to represent the positive 3 and 2 blackberries to represent the negative 2. What we've just created are zero pairs, where basically a positive will cancel out a negative. So a negative 1 will cancel out a positive 1. We're left with 1 raspberry left over, so the answer is positive 1. What about negative 4 plus positive 2? We'll use 4 blackberries to represent negative 4 and 2 raspberries to represent positive 2. Using zero pairs, we can see that we're left with 2 blackberries, or the answer is negative 2. Let's make it a little trickier. What about 1 minus negative 4? When you see 2 minus signs like this, try this trick called the friendly flip, where you take the 2 minus signs and turn it into a plus sign. So now our problem can be written as 1 plus 4. So we will take 1 raspberry for positive 1 and add 4 more raspberries to get a total of positive 5. Now you try the next one using what we've learned. What's negative 6 plus 8? Using 6 blackberries to represent negative 6 and 8 raspberries to represent positive 8, we only get 2 raspberries left over, meaning the answer is positive 2, since the rest were used in zero pairs. Today we used raspberries and blackberries to add and subtract positive and negative integers, but it doesn't have to stop here. You can use berries or anything else you have at home to practice all kinds of math, multiplying, dividing, and even fractions. Math is everywhere, and it's way more fun when you can touch it, see it, and maybe even eat it.